Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to add a search bar to your WordPress menu quickly and easily. The process takes just a few minutes, and by the end, your visitors will have a seamless way to search your site. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to WordPress.com. On the home page, click the Login option at the top right. To make it simple, choose Continue with Google, then select the Google account linked to your WordPress profile. Once logged in, go to the Quick Links section of your dashboard and click on Edit Site. This will open the WordPress site editor where you can make changes. If you manage multiple websites, you'll see a list. Click on the website where you want to add the search bar. Inside the editor, look for the plus sign icon in the upper right corner. This opens the block library. Type the word search into the block search field. From the filtered results, select the block labeled search. Click to add the search block, then drag it into your menu area. Drop it in place so it integrates smoothly with your navigation menu. Now, preview your website to confirm the search bar is working correctly. Test it to ensure results display as expected. And that's it. You've successfully added a search bar to your WordPress menu in just a few steps. This simple addition improves navigation and helps your visitors find information faster. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated site.